As a homeowner, styling your home can be quite a challenge. Just thinking about where to place your furniture can be quite a daunting task. You have to think about the space, the functionality, and the design. That sort of knowledge does not come easy to everyone, but with a little help, we can figure this out together. Hello everyone, I am Cat Arambulo-Antonio, and welcome to PHirst At Home. The Macario family has only been living in the house for 5 months. And for them, arranging and rearranging the furniture can be frustrating. The living room should be a space which they could use as a family, while being functional and stylish as it could be. But in terms of that, where should one start? Let's go meet the family.
Si Anthony Macario. Ito yung nag-iisa kong asawa. Si Abby. Ito puro sila angels. Wala akong anak na lalaki. So puro
Tres Marias.
Tres Marias. Dati kami nakatira sa GMA Cavite. Lumipat na kami dito sa PHirst. Napalapit din naman yung destino.
Gusto namin talaga mailagay kung saan magkaroon ng altar, tapos maiayos yung kitchen namin. Isa pang problema ko talaga kung saan ko ilalagay yung mga medals nila. Kasi ayaw naman nilang itago. Excited kaming lahat na ano kaya kalalabasan ng house renovation ng bahay.
Now we've invited Denise Palad, an interior designer, to turn the Macario's living room into a space of their dreams. She's inside right now and has actually been working on the house for the past few days. We're so excited to see what she did. Let's go! I love what you did with this space. Okay, so can you tell me, what did you do?
Well, we did a lot of stuff. First of all, we had to take out their personal items so that we could start from scratch.
Yeah.
One of the things that we like to do with our design is to create an accent wall.
Yes.
For this space, we chose to do it here.
Yeah.
To put their TV, hang it on the wall, so that it creates more space for them. And then right on front of it would be the dining area. Right? Since the dining table that they bought was so big, originally it used to be here.
Okay, I love this. What a beautiful ottoman and bench. It's like a twofer.
Yes,
It's perfect.
so yeah, they have additional storage for any other item that they have.
So this is a great tip for all homeowners, is to have furniture pieces that are very functional, stylish, yet multi-purpose. Okay, let's take a look here. Join me as we sit down and appreciate the space. The carpet is beautiful. Why this carpet?
So we were able to find this carpet.
Where?
SM. It's perfect with the ottoman,
Beautiful.
right? So
Yeah, and you know what? People need to appreciate or realize that carpets and all these dividers actually create more division with the space. So in a small space, it's actually nice to be able to create that drama.
yes,
What do you think?
especially since the entryway would be here. That's the first thing that they see.
Yeah. So it creates a division without making it feel so constricted. So
Right.
adding a carpet and adding that panel there just gives a definition to the space. Can you change this also? This fan, I love.
That was one of the things that Sir Mac he wanted.
Yeah.
So actually, he wanted it to be cooler inside.
What was it like inside this family? They have a lot of
so
stuff.
many stuff.
So much
And
stuff.
they didn't really have any storage. So
Okay.
that's what one of the priorities in this house. We needed to give them storage.
Okay, so how did you resolve that storage dilemma?
Before, they used to have all their shoes on this area.
So you had to find a space to be able to create for them to keep their shoes somewhere else. Okay,
Yes.
So what did you do? How did you solve the problem?
I was able to look for shoe cabinet.
Guys, this is pretty cool. And you know what I like about it? It's not bulky.
Yes,
It's not an eyesore, but it's very functional. And then you're able to put plants on top.
Yeah.
So it's perfect.
Some of their knickknacks are there.
Yeah.
They also wanted like a small altar, so we were able to put their crucifix and stuff.
Yeah.
Aside from that, they also have a lot of medals. Their kids like to participate in sports. We have their medal area here.
You made it look like an art piece, huh?
Yeah.
This is really great. I mean, it's amazing how you were able to make the medals look like a work of art.
Actually, these are spice racks inverted. So this is actually one per child because we didn't want them to fight over it.
Yeah. So they have their own little display case.
Yes.
It's very personal.
Once you enter, everyone sees it.
Yeah.
So it's not just hung from somewhere.
Yeah.
Right? The kitchen counter used to be by the ref. So they actually wanted us to demolish that part.
Okay, so you removed the kitchen area inside the house, and then
we gave them a walk-in pantry of sorts.
walk-in pantry is always a good idea. Especially with 3 kids.
Yes.
Raising 3 kids, 300 kids at that.
Yes.
It's not an easy task to do. You always need to have a lot of storage of food, and it's so ugly to see the food choices all like laid out on the table.
So we installed the sliding door panel. So again, we want it to be multifunctional, right? So this hides actually the toilet door, and then
This is so smart.
it's open.
Yes.
Here you have the walk-in pantry, right?
Nice. And what I like about this is that it has like a chalkboard. Is that a chalkboard?
Yes, we DIY this part. So when they study here with the 3 girls, they can use this as their chalkboard. Yeah, and then they can also leave their seat notes or like this. It's on our frame,
Yeah.
Their appliances used to be all over the place.
Yeah.
So we wanted it to be just in one place, even their refrigerator is here. And then they can put all their stuff here, all the way up to the ceiling.
So adding this particular door panel and making it multifunctional actually makes the space look a little bit more glam. This accent wall, where did you buy it or how did you make it?
It's actually just a simple DIY. These are thin strips of wood that we equally space, and then you just paint it over it.
You can just do it at home.
So easy.
Yeah, but look at the effects of the space.
It makes a big difference.
Absolutely.
So since we already had these pieces, we had to work with that.
Okay.
Right? We thought about using a modern take on the rustic theme or design. I knew right away we wanted blue.
Yeah.
Because it works well with all the brown.
Not only that, but I think with the brown, it's very rustic. When you bring in the touch of blue, it just adds and makes it more lively,
Yes,
right?
yes.
It gives that certain kind of life to it, which you can't do with all colors. Yeah, and the plants also.
The plants, yes.
People need to realize it brings a lot of life in.
We were able to look for Edison bulbs that are LED.
Okay.
So depends sa
Depende sa kuryente. Importante yun.
Yes.
Diba? And then the molding there, was that there originally or did you add that?
No, that was the original location of the bulb.
Okay.
So we had to rewire and cover it with the molding.
I think you were able to maximize this space in a way that it's very functional, stylish, yet it's a place where they all congregate together, diba? I mean, alam mo naman mga Pinoy, gusto nila palagi magkakasama.
If you have limited budget and limited time to construct, I think one of the important things to look for are, what you said, furniture pieces that are multifunctional, and that would work well in any situation.
Yeah. And mura pa. Right? You just have to know where to go.
I think that's the key word.
Kailangan yung shopping list at saka yung mga recommended places where to shop. I think that's very important because it's available there.
Yes.
Or if it's not available, pwede gawin. Kaya gawin. How do you guys feel?
Obsessive.
Are you happy?
Sobra.
You like it?
Oo.
Anong favorite part ng bahay?
Dining. Sobra. Kasi dyan yung bonding moment lagi namin pamilya. Yung problema kong mga medas, kung saan malalagay, iayos nila properly.
Gusto nila.
Kitchen, ang ganda, grabe. May altar pa kami.
I'm gonna give you a moment to absorb and feel your house.
Nakalumuo po yung bahay namin.
Lumaki, no? Parang lumaki. So perfect sa mga anak din.
Yes. So, sobrang matutuwa yung kids po namin.
Yay! I'm so happy, Denise. So you did a good job, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po, ma'am. Thank you. Salamat
Thank
po.
you sa inyo. Thank you talaga.
Well, that's it for this episode. We hope you've learned a lot in designing your home. Whether you're just about to move in or you're in need of a new look, this show is for you. On the next episode, we'll take you at easy recipes that your family will surely enjoy. Busy or not, cooking these will be a breeze. Once again, my name is Cat Arambulo-Antonio, and this is First at Home.